RealtyCandy. We've been working on some new tweaks. This is really designed for agencies that are using HighLevel. And we've had some people ask us, I like HighLevel, but it looks like it has too many things. It's a little too complex or whatever. I've been working on this today. I've been working with a little bit of Claude Code to get some AI power behind this. And basically what we're doing is we're just kind of cleaning this up a little bit. So you can see when you load this page, it's showing our logo here, but we can change it. We can change it for every single user in your account. So if I wanted to, every real estate office could have their own logo right here. So if I had, let's say I'm running a marketing agency, I could put a logo there for every single one of the real estate agents or the offices that I'm working with. On the other hand, if I'm running an office, I could put like the agent image right there, the photo of each agent right there. And so we can customize it really easily for every account. We're really excited about this. We're going to be building some more functionality around this. I changed the font just a little bit here on this top part, but I removed a bunch of the options that come inside of HighLevel because I think basically what people are going to want is they're going to want to see the messages. They're going to want to be able to see calendars. They're going to be able to want to see their contacts. They're going to want to see properties. So these are their featured listings right here. I left the AI agents one in there, but we can take it out. It's really easy to take these out. On the marketing, there were a couple other things in here that I just thought were unnecessary and most realtors would never use them. So I took those out up here on the top. Here's the automation one. You can see you can build workflows. You can manage all this stuff right here. On the websites, again, there's funnels and quizzes and some other stuff. And I'm like, we just don't need all this stuff. And so we pull it out. Another thing too is like when you go to the analytics page, it's just showing you your website traffic really quickly instead of making users, flip around through here and get down here to what they're doing. There's a media storage, so you can upload images, hook it up to Canva, hook it up to Google Connect. And then, of course, we have these custom menu links down here. Maybe I ought to put a title on it. But we're bringing in, the IDX Broker leads and some of the information that revolves around that. We have an agency dashboard. So we have some goodies around that so we can track our different agents and see what they're doing and what they're working on. We actually have a way here. I probably ought to remove this, but I thought this was a good idea. We have a way that you can manage your featured listings inside of IDX add-ons if you're using IDX Broker. We actually have the function there to set up an IDX website. So this one I already clicked through it and I ordered this website so our clients can just quickly order things. If you're running an agency, you're going to be able to sell these websites and sell these services to your clients. You'll put in a Stripe key, configure which websites, which functions you want to sell, put the pricing on there, and you can do your own pricing and just sell them, and all that money goes straight to you. And it's built right in. So I'm really excited. It can be free. You can sell them for $199, $499, $999, whatever works for you. Here's the Aero IDX dashboard. Of course, this is crisscrossing a couple of systems here. So we have that. And then again, this is just a test one that we're messing around with. But all this information, to me, all these 5 things down here, I'd probably just replace it with 1 or 2. And that the rest of this is basically people are going to have 10 options in here. And it's just going to be super easy to take care of. So I'm really excited about this. If this is something you're interested in, contact us here at RealtyCandy. If you're one of our HighLevel affiliates, we'll get some code for you and help you get this set up. And we'd love to help you get using HighLevel in order to follow up effectively with your leads inside of a CRM that gathers data from the IDX traffic, and then it starts making decisions based on this. We're really excited about this. Check it out.